In this video, I will share with you a sneaky way giant tech websites like MacRumors.com, PCMag, and how to gig bypass contests and make their way to $25 million to $50 million a year. And I will show you step by step how you can make a similar amount of money using the same strategy. Wow, Mosh! I hope you understand you're making a big promise here. Well, I'm not making any promise here. I'm just here to share a simple system with you that you can use and make money starting today. And to be honest, no one can make big money overnight. But from this video, you will learn how not to make mistake by getting into methods, systems that are already oversaturated. We will show you a system that literally never gets saturated ever. The good news is that you can use the same system without prior experience or any special skills or technical knowledge. This simple system is free and beginner friendly. And even better, I have built an AI technology that will do almost 99% of the work for you. You will get access to this technology for free as well. The link is in the description. You can get it from there. And the best thing about it, there is almost zero competition. Please pay close attention as we have never shared this information in this channel before. And I have never heard any other channel talking about this strategy as well. But the beauty of this beginner-friendly system is every time the competition is close to zero. So the chance for the beginners to get fast results in this system is super high. We know this system works because right now we follow the same tech giants and get visitors from YouTube using the bypass contest method. And we make $5 from every visitor we get from our videos. $5,000 from 1,000 visitors. And we made $40,000 from 7,000 visitors. To make these videos, we use our software Epic. Epic allows us to make videos using simply copying and pasting free image links. We don't need to add voiceover because Epic adds natural voiceover using text-to-voice technology. And Epic writes the scripts for us using built-in artificial intelligence. All our Epic users have the same benefit. And our Epic users basically have the access to our videos as well. They can use as templates and make their own videos from our video. But we are not going to stop there. We are going to show you how these guys, these big channels and big websites are getting millions of visitors per month. And that's when you start making $5 million per month. So let's get started. Before we begin, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, and make sure you share this video with your friends and family and all your social media contacts and all your social media groups like Telegram groups, WhatsApp groups, Messenger groups. This way, not only you are learning how to make money online, but also you help others learn as well. This way you present yourself as a cool person who shares good, helpful and money-making information with them. And eventually they will become your first followers and maybe your first customers as well. I was looking at Google News to find more ways and more strategies to help you and myself, of course, make more money online. I keep exploring new things, take action, make money. That's what we do in our company. And that's when I found this interesting article. iMac with M3 chip already in the works, could be released next year. M3 chip? Really? Isn't M1 the best thing we have right now? I mean, we all know the M1 chip is the hottest, the best, the fastest. It's the best. Video editors are excited about it and we love our M1s as well. Especially that they could be released next year part caught my attention. I decided to do more research. I checked Google Trends to see if people are really searching for this. Are people curious about it? Do they know about it? The answer was a resounding no. Literally, nobody is talking about it. So I came to Ubersuggest to see if there are any related keywords or there is any other information that I can find. I searched M3 chip The results were again the same. There were hardly any keywords and almost no traffic. But then I found something interesting that I want to share with you guys today. Why are all these tech giants talking about M3 chip when nobody is searching for it? When there is no traffic, no interest? Remember one thing, these tech giants will never write about something that is not going to be a hit. It opened my eyes and I went back and looked for keyword ideas about M1 chip, the old one. I found over 3,800 keywords that people are using to learn about M1 chip. Over 20,000 people are looking for this keyword every month. I found all these high authority websites talking about the M1 chip. This is when I found the bypass contest strategy that all the big tech websites are using to make money online. So the system is, they talk about the future when the regular people talk about the present. They are always ahead of the game, always early. They prepare for the future, and that's how they bypass contests. You see, when no one else is talking about something, they write about it and they start ranking for the related keywords. And because of zero contests, they get all the existing traffic. They wrote about M1 chip when nobody was talking about it. And now when people search for it, their articles will show up. They become the first ones to get that traffic, the first ones to make the money from it. You see, when people start searching for it, they are already there. They are getting all the traffic and they are already making money. Now we know that M3 chip will become the next hit. I went to YouTube to see if there is anyone making any video about it. When I searched with M1 chip, I found a lot of videos made months ago, which means they already have stolen all the traffic for M1 chip. Let me show you my mobile. I just searched with M1 chip and look at the results. This is the first video, second video, and starts the YouTube Shorts. 425,000 views, 66,000 views, 3.8 thousand views, 49,000 views, 3.4 million views, 26 million views. Wow. Now let's search with M3 chip. Look at this. Literally no M3 chip related shorts. Nobody made any shorts about M3 chip. Surprise! There are some lengthy videos but no YouTube shorts, which are the most popular ones right now. In case you're wondering why I specially showed you the example of shorts, two major reasons for that. Number one, YouTube is promoting shorts videos these days because shorts is a new feature on YouTube and YouTube is trying to make shorts popular to compete with TikTok and Instagram Reels. And number two, it helps YouTube get more views and viewers on shorts from outside YouTube and helps make current viewers or current people on YouTube stay longer period on YouTube. So it's a win-win for YouTube, for us, the marketers, creators, and of course, the visitors who need information. When you cover a topic that is already popular or yet to be popular in your YouTube short, remember, there is not a single YouTube short on M3 chip. You have more chances of your video going viral and getting millions of views because people love new things. And this M3 chip is yet to come. And yes, it's coming. It might not get popular in just a few days because we know M3 is yet to get released, but it will surely get popular like M1 chip and you will get views, lots of views and traffic from that. But wait, where is my promise of sharing the system that will do 90% of the work for you? No, 99% of the work for you. Don't worry, I will not leave you to start making videos and spend hours. Well, I promised you only 1 minute of work. Basically 1 minute of results, but 3 minutes of work. Let me show you how it works.
Simply create new. Give your video a name, select vertical and click create. You got a vertical canvas. If you want to add an image, copy image address from any free source. Paste it here and your image is imported. Now, you can resize it, rotate it, make it dramatic. You can add text, resize the text, and do all kinds of formatting. If you want to voiceover, and you want to copy from anywhere, you can do it. Just copy from any website you want or place you want. Click the text generator and paste it right here. Use our artificial intelligence to rewrite for you or use the spinner to rewrite, it is your choice. Let's use the spinner and the text you copied from somewhere is rewritten. Copy the text, take it and go to the audio section. Either you can upload your own audio or record your own audio from your mic or use the text to audio feature to add natural voiceover using the application. Give it a name, choose your favorite voice type based on text here. Then click Submit. Your voiceover is ready. Go to the audio section. And here is your audio. Your bite-sized video is ready. You can make it any length and you can add multiple bite-sized videos to make any length. Save your work to come back later and add more video sections. You can also use our templates, which we have designed for our customers. Once you are done, click the render button and the video will be rendered in the background. You will receive an email notification once the render is complete. This is exactly how we made this video right here. You can download it and then upload it or directly upload it to Google Drive, Dropbox or other platforms. Or you can directly publish it on YouTube or other platforms.
So did you see it? In just 3 minutes, you can provide the same value as a 10-minute video. It's incredible, right? Remember, M3 chip is releasing next year, so you have time. Since you are going to be the first one to make YouTube shorts on M3 chip, you have more chances to going viral and getting millions of views, traffic and sales. Whatever you want to do with this traffic. You can even promote the same products we promote to make $5 from each views, and you can make $5 million from 1 million views. It's super simple. This is the #1 strategy that all these tech giants use to stay ahead of the game and make money online. So you see how powerful this is? This is a never-ending income stream that you can create in just a few minutes of work. And Epic will help you all the way in your journey. You can go get Epic from the link in the description. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And also, don't forget to check out the description for a link to the software, all my other softwares that we use to make money online. So did you like this video? We put a lot of effort on it so you learn how to make money online the easy way, the right way, and the fun way. Hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, and make sure you share this video with your friends and family and all your social media contacts, your social media groups. This way, not only you are learning how to make money online, but also you help others learn how to make money online the right way, the easy way, and the fun way. This way you present yourself as a cool person who shares good information, money-making information with them, and eventually they will become your first followers and maybe your first customers. And you will all get notified when we upload our next money-making video. And we see you in the next video.